Hello guys, come with me as I try photo with him in SM Molino. Ayan, as you can see, madami sila mga props na pwede nyo gamitin sa pictures. Ito yung price list nila. Pinili ko yung basic 4-cut worth 200 pesos. So, dito nyo ilulusot yung bayad. So, ayan, meron parang button na pipindutin para matake yung picture and meron ka lang 7 seconds to take them. Mamimili lang po kayo ng 4 best photos na gusto nyo. Pwede nyo rin i-customize yung frame. Meron din dito yung K-pop frame, yung pwede kang makipag-picture with your idols. Yung basic lang muna tinry ko since first time ko lang mag-photo with him and meron silang 2 copies na ibibigay. Pwede nyo i-scan yung QR code sa taas para ma-download yung time-lapse video and yung soft copy ng pictures. That is all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!